Our flagship program is the Financial Empowerment Centers, which is the very first municipal financial counseling and coaching program in the country. Our financial counselors and coaches can help anybody who lives or works in New York City with everything, involving your personal finances. Our financial counselors can help you free of charge.
Clients come in from all different demographics, all different economic statuses.
This is the first time I came. I was nervous, feel so anxious.
I thought I'd come here and do my taxes and be out, but I formed a bond here.
Most clients that come in during the first visit, it's typically more of just like relationship building. Can I trust you with the information? And can you help me?
She was very nice, very sweet lady, and she, tried to help me right away, asking a lot of questions.
Felt comfort and secure and confident that I could rely on this counselor to guide me the right way. He was always in touch with me every other day. How am I doing? What have I been doing, paying back? What loans have I been taking care of?
I feel, more free. At that time I was very nervous, anxious, because I owed a lot of money, like about $40,000 on that time.
What I learned is how to put away a certain percentage of my paycheck every week and to create a budget to save for the future.